I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about simple and compound interest. Use simple interest to find the ending balance. If I was given this problem, $4,000 at 3% for 4 years. All right. I first want to use my formula for simple interest. Simple interest here is equal to my principal, $4,000, times my interest rate as a decimal, 0.03, for time in years, 4 years. When I multiply all that out, I get $480. Now, I have to add that back to my principal to get the ending balance. So I take my principal, 4,000, I add $480 to that, and I get a final answer of, I'm sure you can guess it, $4,480.00. Quick recap, we're given $4,000 at 3% for 4 years.